In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image carousel to Google Sites following the latest updates. If you've been wanting a dynamic and visually engaging way to present images on your site, then this guide is perfect for you. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Sites page, open your preferred web browser and log into your Google account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, head over to sitesgoogle.com where you can access all your Google Sites projects. From here, select the site you wish to edit. This is where we'll be adding the image carousel. Now that you're on your site, take a look at the menu on the right side of the screen. You'll notice various options listed under the Insert panel. Look for the image carousel option. This feature allows you to add a rotating display of images, which can enhance the visual appeal of your site significantly. Go ahead and click on Image Carousel to begin the setup. After you click on the image carousel option, you'll notice a new window pop up with a placeholder displaying a plus icon. This indicates where your images will appear on your site. Click on this plus icon, as it's your gateway to select and upload the images you'd like to include in your carousel. The next step involves uploading the images you want to feature. Click on Upload Image. From here, you'll be prompted to select images from your computer. Choose the images that best represent the theme or purpose of your site. Bear in mind that there's no limit to how many images you can add, so feel free to select a variety. If your images are large in size, consider optimizing them first to ensure that your site remains fast and efficient. Once your images are uploaded, the final step is to insert them into your site. You'll see an insert button on the lower right side of the upload interface. Clicking this button finalizes the addition of your image carousel to the site. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image carousel to your Google site, making your content more interactive and visually appealing. This feature is fantastic for showcasing portfolios, products, or any array of images that you want to highlight. Remember that you can always return to edit or add more images to your carousel at any time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it inspires you to make your Google site even more engaging. Feel free to explore the other features Google Sites offers to continue enhancing your content. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.